Okay, so moving to the next section, retention systems acts exactly like the version that I showed you in the previous video for um, the rear entry. So if you select a particular item and you click on it, it'll come up with the quantity and you can keep track of it just like you do with the other ones. So let's bounce across to power lifts. Power lifts are specific to Promaster and to the Ford Transit. So when I select on those, you can select the handy ramp lift, or if you don't need that lift, then you can determine whether it's a side lift or a rear lift. So if we select rear entry, it will ask you which of the different manufacturers you need. So Braun Ability, let's say, and it'll list the rear entry lifts that are available. There is the Century and the Millennium. So when you select on those, it will add it to the price. And then you can select whether you want to add in the $400 transmission interlock, which is pretty standard on all vehicles. But if you do not and you opt out, then you would need to accept the terms and make sure your customer understands that they would be liable. But we do definitely want to encourage our customers to utilize that as a safety feature. So if not, like I said, you can just select that and it'll add it in for the $400 option. If you choose to go with Mobility Networks, it will show those rear lifts or the Rikon rear lifts. And then again, if I rotate over to side lifts, obviously it switches and rotates to the particular manufacturer's side lifts as an option. Okay?